We do not choose our body or facial features, and we do not have a saying in whether we are born with brown hair, blue eyes or big breasts for what that matters. Some of these features can be altered, others enhanced, and the good news is that there are very few that remain completely outside our reach. When it comes to breast size, we tend to think that there is always room for slightly bigger, and many are not willing to settle for small breasts. Most definitive solutions require plastic surgery, but there are other ways to achieve the desired results without going through the ordeal and taking any chances. Genes play a significant role in whether breasts are large or small, so if the mother has big breasts, the daughter has a decent chance to enjoy the same features. Those who are not born with such genes should know that exercise can help, as well-developed pectoral muscles improve both the size and firmness. Women who are not happy with their breast size should also check up with their doctor to determine whether they lack estrogen, as it facilitates the growth of breasts during puberty. Perhaps among the most well-known benefits of fenugreek is the way it enhances breast size in these two ways. By mimicking the effects of estrogen and by stimulating the production of prolactin, both of these hormones are crucial to the development of the breasts. Fenugreek safely and naturally stimulates tissue growth, resulting in bigger, firmer, and fuller breasts. 3 ways for natural breast enlargement using fenugreek. 1 way to take fenugreek is through capsules, 2 to 3 times a day until you see results. However, it is not recommended not to exceed capsules in any health food stores. The second way to enlarge breasts naturally is by drinking cleavage-enhancing beverage or bust tea. Herbs are absorbed through the skin are even more potent than herbs that are swallowed. That's because the liver must first process anything you swallow. Since the liver breaks down 80% to 90% of all substances that pass through it, your body only gets to use 10% to 20% of the herbs you take by capsule. Herbs that are absorbed through the skin, on the other hand, bypass the liver and go straight into the bloodstream. This means that your body gets to use all the nutrients they contain. What to do? Combine 2 cups of water and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and add a dash of spices like fennel seeds, licorice, anise or caraway. You can also add a few drops of black seed oil to reap over 100 other health benefits. Black seed oil for weight loss is another one many women found helpful. Add the mixture to boil and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and turn the stove off. Let it cool down and strain before drinking. For those who have zero balance with the taste, you can add a sweetener of your choice and some lemon juice to enhance the flavor. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day for breast enhancing results. Number 3. Fenugreek extract lotion. Since your body cannot absorb solids, you will need to use a liquid herbal extract. You can either purchase fenugreek extract from a health food store, or use some of the water from your bust tea preparation as mentioned. What to do? You can get the fenugreek seeds extract by boiling them in the water as per bust tea instructions mentioned. Boil 2 cups of water and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes and turn the stove off. Combine 1 part of fenugreek extract with 2 parts of body lotion. Massage the mixture to your breast 2 times a day for best results. Smooth skin, one of the primary benefits of argan oil, and be achieved with a few drops of argan oil into the mix. How to massage? Put some lotion and rub your palms together to create warmth. Place them on your chest. Your rotations should last 2 seconds, and do them for about 15 minutes, or 300 rotations. Massaging the sides, upper and lower tissues independently in addition to the full breast rotations are also beneficial. Always rotate towards the middle of your body. Apparently rotating towards the outside decreases your breast size. Just in case you are interested in breast enlargement, there will be links below in the description of everything here you need to make the DIY recipes in this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting information on the power of plants. Thanks.